Squatting isn't just a leg exercise, it's a fundamental human movement. It's something that's naturally built into our bodies, yet many people have forgotten how to do it properly or don't do it at all. However, when performed correctly, squats can improve flexibility, joint health, spinal mobility, cardiovascular endurance, and even support overall longevity and vitality. One of the most beneficial variations is what's often called the Chinese squat, a deep, supported squat that anyone can do, regardless of fitness level or mobility. By holding onto a stable object like a door handle, tree, or pole, you can reduce strain on your knees and lower back while still engaging the muscles effectively. Practicing this movement daily can offer powerful benefits. Improved mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles, decompression and relief for the lower back, stronger muscles leading to a faster metabolism, better heart health, and increased endurance, a more flexible, youthful, and resilient body. Start slowly. You don't have to go deep at first. Begin with a limited range of motion and gradually increase both the depth and the number of repetitions. Aim for 20 to 100 squats a day, and over time, you'll notice real improvements in how your body feels and moves. Remember, movement is life. This simple, natural exercise is a powerful way to restore your body and support your health. No equipment, no gym required. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and effective home workouts. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong. See you in the next video.